Hi, I'm Tony. Welcome to Seasonal Intuition. This channel is about food and cooking. My goal is to help you improve your cooking skills and intuition so you can stop following recipes and start following your heart. 2 quick pro tips today of how I store my veggies from the unboxing to last me a full 2 weeks almost. So the romaine lettuce is super fresh and crisp. If I put it in the fridge like this, it'll wilt in a day or two and it will really not be fun to use. So what happens when I receive it tonight is I'll run it through the sink if I have leaves that are muddy, and then I'm gonna let it sit in water to kind of get happy. I've got like a colander so I can spin out the water really quickly. You don't need to have that. You can just put them in, dunk them in water. They should be fully submerged, and just keep them for 15 minutes is good enough, or you can keep it up to an hour. And like what I'll do is I'll tear each sheet the way that I'm doing it. I'll make sure that everything is covered, and I will rinse it all out and then prepare it and put it in a Ziploc bag with a paper towel. This way, the romaine lettuce stays great for like anywhere from 5 to 10 days in my cool freezer section for veggies. And a trick with the kale, kale is also finicky. So the best way to feed it and keep it fresh and crispy is to, just like flowers, take about a ½ inch off from the top and then add some water in any kind of cup or saucer and put it there. And this kale will stay fresh for like almost 7 days, if not longer. So this has been soaking for 30 minutes. I want to show you what it looks like. So the salad is soaked and it's nice and crispy. I have a salad spinner. You don't need a salad spinner. You can just do it in a bowl. And I'm going to empty it out in the sink. Because I have a salad spinner, I'm going to spin it just to get a little bit more of the excess water out. I don't do this all the time. I just had it together today. And then I take the salad leaves a little bit at a time, and then I wrap them in paper towels. It doesn't have to be perfect, just enough to absorb the moisture. And it's okay if it's tightly nestled in and cozy. That's not a problem. The most important piece is to be covered and protected and in a paper towel or a cloth if you don't use paper towels. And I close the bag to keep it the freshest. Those are my pro tips today. Join my channel. Please like and subscribe to hear more tips.